Welcome. I wish you all are having a great day today. So, today, are you ready to make the black cat? Now, for this black cat, we need 2 pieces of paper the same size, and for me, because I needed the small cat, I have taken 2 pieces of small paper which are 7.5 centimeters into 7.5 centimeters. Let's make the face now. Okay. Now, can you see how I have kept it? I am going to make a triangle like this by folding it, and then fold it again, but only to mark the middle, and then bring it down just like the tulip flower. Now, since we have made a lot of animals, you know that the basic shape of the tulip flower is important. Now, these 2 flaps that are coming out, see this flap, you need to fold it in and turn it around and see. It's the head of the cat. Now the body. How do we make the body? Now fold it in half so that you get a triangular shape. Now can you see that the body is being formed? Then a big bushy tail, so fold that corner backwards. Now we have to paste the head to the body. Now your black cat needs eyes, so I have brought 2 little pieces of yellow paper to make the big eyes, to make the cat's big eyes. They are scary and big, but remember, black cat of Kiki Witches is kind and nice and helpful. And put the pupils in like this. And he looks scary, but he's not. Now remember the Kiki Witch we made earlier? Now she's traveling in the night sky, so she has her friend with her. Now let's paste Kiki Witch onto the night sky. Don't forget to add the black cat also, because they are journeying together. Then now, since they are traveling in the middle of the night, let's put up a little star or 2. Then there's wind. And right. Now that's Kiki Witch and her black cat. So make all this and have fun. So we'll bring more and more creations like this in the future. So stay with us.